Okay, hello everybody and welcome to Osaka City. And today we are at Maishima Island. As you can see, it's a very nice place and lots of parks and green places here, and a lot of people come here for glamping or glamorous camping. You can see they have some kind of log houses or cottages, and just a really nice area. And just show you on the map very quickly. So we are here at the Osaka Resort, the Hotel Lodge Maishima, and this is the whole park area, and we are here. That's the the pond that we just saw. And actually we're gonna walk around this area here. It's a lot of cottages and log cabins. And this area is famous for, in Japanese, a ji sai or hydrangea. And so we're just going to take a quick walk around and look at the flowers. And you can see they are in full bloom. And the colors are just really, really perfect. Really nice at this time. So you can see all different colors, and there are actually two types. So here's one of the types that has a bald center with the flowers on the outside. And then the other type is like a big ball. So this is probably the most famous kind here. It's just a ball of flowers. Yeah, and some cats are just hanging out here. And there it is, hydrangeas, and they normally come into bloom in early June, but this year things are really early, so this is late May, so maybe a week or two earlier than normal. So as I said, this is a glamping area. So you can see they have a pit barbecue. And that's the main building there, and as you can see, they were doing construction, and now they're taking down the structures. So it's really noisy here. So here you can see this is called in Japanese uta awase. So there are many varieties. So here we can see about 100 different varieties, and they have about 2,000 bushes of these hydrangeas. See different colors. It's a really nice contrast with the green. So yeah, here's the other type. Over here they got some pink and purple. Wow, look at that color. So dark blue. Really, really dark. Uta awase. Wow, this is really nice. Gokigenyo. That's my favorite. I like gokigenyo.
Look at that heart.
Yeah. So this one's in the shape of a heart.
Nice.
It's really nice. Osaka City. All right, so I think that's just it. Just a quick look around here. Again, we're at Maishima Island out in Osaka Bay. And yeah, just a really nice place to come. You can escape the city. You can see the skyline in the distance there a little bit. And good place to go camping, glamping, or just come out here to enjoy some green space. So anyway, that's all from here at Maishima Island, and I'll probably continue recording at another location. So we'll see you later. Bye. Okay, and hello everybody, and welcome to Hirakata City in Osaka Prefecture on this beautiful Sunday afternoon. And we are here at the Kuramazuka Kohun, or the burial tomb for the Kuramazuka family, I guess, maybe. And this was actually in my video when I did a walk around the Nakamiya neighborhood. I went up to the top of that burial tomb there. It's very historic. So anyway, that's not the focus of this video today. It is a continuation of the hydrangea video, and they have tons and tons of these flowers just outside this burial tomb. And so we're going to take a walk around. Here you can see they're pink hydrangeas, and so maybe most people have the image that they are blue. And of course we're going to see some blue, but we're going to see different colors and different shapes and sizes. So here's the light blue, and then of course you can see the pink and even kind of a purple. And then here even two colors on the same flower. So yeah, many different sizes. So we're just going to walk here alongside this park. And it's just across the street from the Komatsu factory. So here it is. So this video is going to have 3 parts. As you know, the first part was over in Maishima in Osaka City. And this is the second part in Hirakata City near the Komatsu factory. Wow, they're really big, really, really big. You can see they also have the other type too that has the bald center. So every time, and then here you can see these are not in bloom yet, or they're about to be. So, yeah. So this place is not famous. You're not going to find this listed on any website or anything. It's not a famous spot for seeing hydrangeas. But I think you can see it's actually really, really nice. And so that's kind of why we decided to add this to the video. Is because it's off the beaten path. And it looks really, really nice. Some of these are just really, really big.
Different types.
Yeah, they have different types, sizes, and colors. And so I was going to say earlier, the third place we're going to go in this video is over at Yamadaike Park in Hirakata. And they have a special section just for the hydrangeas. And actually we went there earlier today, and we're going to give it a few more days. This place here is more in bloom than over in the park. So we're going to go back there in a few days and finish this video from over there. And that place is actually listed on websites and other places. Yeah, the color on this one. Wow. The light coming in. Yeah, just a really nice color. Yeah, and these over here are really, really big. Like this one here, just to compare with my hand. You see it's bigger than my hand. Trying not to do damage to the flowers. So anyway, I think several people may have different ways of pronouncing the name of this flower. In Japanese, it's very easy. It's ajisai. And I think the English pronunciation is probably hydrangea, maybe? Do you say it a different way? Please let me know down in the comments. Yeah, this one here, again, bigger than my hand. Oh, these are really nice. Okay, very quickly, the very end, we're over in the shade, and this is the end of the row. So if you're still with us at this part of the video, you must really love flowers. Thank you so much for hanging around. And of course, if this video is long, or any of my videos are too long, then just click ahead. I always make chapters, so you can easily skip ahead without missing anything. Okay, I think that's about it for here at Kuramazuka Park. So again, we're going to end the video here and continue in a few days over at Yamadaike Park in Hirakata. So anyway, we'll see you later in a few days. Okay, see ya. Okay, and welcome to the last section of this video. Today we are in Hirakata City in Osaka Prefecture at Yamadaike Park. And you can see there's a nice little stream here. But we are here to see the Ajisai in Japanese, or hydrangea in English. They have a nice little garden. And we're going to walk around this and finish the video here. So here it is. You can see right away. We have some pinks, some purples. And then of course some are not in bloom yet. It really seems like hydrangeas. There's a wide variety of when they come into bloom.
Yeah. Different colors.
Yeah. So look at that.
Wow.
Really nice. And this tree here is called a zakuro in Japanese, which is a pomegranate tree. You can see the berries growing there. So Yamadaike Park is an amazing park. If you are interested in nature or flowers, you can find everything here.
Exactly.
Any season. And it's free. Everything is free here. It's free to get into the park. Yeah. So I guess the hydrangea are flowers around the rainy season. These and irises, and I have another video about irises, and it's also filmed here in Yamadaike Park. So if you're interested in more flowers from the rainy season, definitely check that video out. It's just really peaceful. There's nobody here, just one or two people walking by from time to time. Of course, this is a Tuesday afternoon, so we're really lucky to have really beautiful weather. and kind of have this place all to ourselves. So I think this is going to be kind of a short view here of Yamadaike Park. I think that kind of gives you an idea. You've already seen 2 other spots and then this place here. So anyway, these are the hydrangeas of Japan. So anyway, let's go over here and we'll finish the video. Give you this, maybe this view right here. Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, so thank you so much for watching this video. I know it may have gotten a little long with 3 different locations, but we just saw 3 great places and we wanted to share it with you in this video. So we hope you enjoyed it. So any message?
Yeah, we enjoyed a lot the 3 places. With hydrangea, a lot of types of different colors. Even the rainy season, we enjoyed those flowers.
Absolutely, yeah. The rain just kind of adds to the environment.
Yeah.
Okay, anything in Japanese?
あじさいを見に、3カ所行きました。皆さんも楽しんでいただけましたでしょうか。よかったらまだあじさいの時期続くと思いますので、皆さんも近くのあじさいを探しに行ってみてください。
Okay, so anyway, this is our 3rd time to come here actually, and we kept wanting to wait to get it right at the peak, and this is about as close as we can get. So this is what we decided to show you. And again, in this video, this is the 3rd location. The first one was over in the Maishima area of Osaka City, and then the last 2 were here in Hirakata City. The first was at the Kuramazuka Park, and then here at Yamadaike Park. So anyway, we hope you enjoyed it, and as I said, these are the flowers of the rainy season. So yeah, it's really fun to enjoy all the different flowers of all the different seasons here in Japan. So we hope you enjoy these flower videos. So anyway, thank you so much for watching the video. Definitely click like if you liked the video. Leave a comment down below. Subscribe to the channel and click the bell for notifications. And so I'll be maybe making more videos about different places in Japan or other flowers. And if there's something you want to see, let me know. I'd be glad to show it to you. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye bye.